Good morning, my lovelies. Let's just take you through where we're at so far. So let me get out of the way. All nice new plastered walls. Lovely new latex level floor. Nice and flat, not 30mm out like it was before. Let's take you around this way. Tray in, all aqua boarded, all sealed. Should we do some tiling? Come on. Let's get this floor down. Right, there we go. We've had a good day today. Shower area is all grouted and sealed around there. I like to seal it today because I'll put the shower enclosure in tomorrow, so I'm ensured a good, nice watertight seal. So I'll put a little link to how to seal a shower tray just up here. There we go. Let's take you over here. Valve will go on when we're finished because I don't want to damage the plate. The floor is down and grouted. The walls have had a nice coat, they might need another one. So it's all coming along nicely, a bit different than this time last week, but we've got the basin to go in, the toilet to go in, all the accessories, the enclosure will go on the wall tomorrow. I'll put a how-to do that as well properly and to properly seal it, and we're cracking on, looking good. Okay, here we are in part two. We'll take a look at where we left off. We've gone a bit further than I thought we would, but we'll have a little look. In we go. Right, we're all finished, decorated, tiled, everything. Showers in, shower enclosure, hello, basins in, loos in, all decorated. I thought I'd be able to show you a bit more, but we actually tiled the enclosure, but the tiles were actually turned out to be a problem with them, so we had to start again. So hence why we're a little bit further on in part two than I thought we'd be. So I just thought I'd show you the finished product. So here we are. So if you can remember from the first video, we have to gut everything straight back to the brickwork, reline everything, aquaboard all the shower, everything, replaster everything. So there we are, looking good. All done and working. Very, very nice bifold door. A nice little shower there. Quite a nice arrangement. And up here, we had to put a new light in here. There wasn't one in there originally, so it was a bit of a dark spot, but now nice and bright. New LEDs, new IP rated LED lights. Cool. And then, obviously, what I talked about before, towards the end of the video, we've been quite busy doing this. There we go. Brand new freestanding bath area. I'll put a link to that up here now. We've done a separate video for that, so you can check that out. So there you go. All right, on to the next one. Give us a quick like and subscribe if you want to, but yeah, it's been a challenge, been a hot day, been a hot job, been a trying little time, but we've got over it and we're here. Cool.